Could a portable fridge truly replace your cooler and keep everything frozen for days, even without a power outlet? This TROPOW 12V refrigerator makes some bold claims, and we're diving in to see if it's the ultimate adventure companion. Right off the bat, what really caught our eye is the promise of cordless cooling. Imagine up to 40 hours of chilling in eco mode, all thanks to its specialized batteries. Now, it's important to note those batteries aren't included, but the fact that you can go completely off-grid for nearly 2 days is a game changer for road trips, camping, or even just a long day at the beach. And when you do need power, this thing is incredibly flexible. It hooks up to your car's 12 or 24-volt DC, a home outlet, or even a solar panel. That kind of adaptability means your cold drinks are always just a plug away, no matter where you are. But it's not just about power, it's about performance. This 29-liter unit, or 30 quarts, is surprisingly spacious. We're talking about fitting 52 cans, 38 water bottles, or even 20 wine bottles. That's a serious amount of provisions for any outing. And the cooling. It's genuinely impressive. From a warm 78 degrees, it can chill drinks to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 20 minutes, and freeze down to a frosty -7 degrees in about 40 minutes. That dual-zone design is a huge plus, letting you keep some items chilled and others frozen simultaneously. Plus, there's a handy drain plug, making it super easy to clean or even make ice right inside. Beyond the core cooling, TROPOW has packed in some thoughtful conveniences. It operates at under 40 decibels, which is quieter than most libraries. You'll barely notice it running. There's a built-in LED light for those late-night snack raids, a stainless steel bottle opener for instant refreshment, and even a USB port to keep your phone charged. The build quality feels robust too. Its compact size, around 25.4 by 16.5 by 14.1 inches, means it slides into SUVs, trucks, and RVs without much fuss, and it's designed to handle the bumps and vibrations of off-road adventures. It really feels like it's built for the long haul. Overall, the TROPOW 12V refrigerator isn't just another cooler. It's a versatile, powerful, and genuinely smart portable freezer. For anyone serious about keeping things cold on the go, whether it's for camping, tailgates, or just daily errands, this unit offers an amazing blend of performance and convenience. It truly elevates the portable cooling experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.